Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Grizzly Inn. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located 5 miles from Giant Springs State Park, this Great Falls hotel offers a grab-and-go breakfast and on-site laundry facilities. Free Wi-Fi is included in all guest rooms. All rooms at the Grizzly Inn features cable TV. Comfortably furnished, the bright rooms include a work desk. The Grizzly Inn features a lobby complete with plush sofas where guests can relax in front of a crackling fire. A 24-hour reception is offered. A business center is located on site. A short walk from the hotel, shops and restaurants are available at the Holiday Village Mall. The Great Falls Clinic Medical Center is 5 minutes walk away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.